Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful, yet often misunderstood, topics in fitness. Cardiovascular exercise, or simply cardio. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or even just dancing around your living room, cardio is at the core of a healthy lifestyle. But what's really happening inside your body when you get that heart rate up? And how much is too much? Let's break it down simply and practically. So, what exactly is cardio? Well, the name itself gives us a clue. Cardiovascular refers to your heart and blood vessels. So, any activity that raises your heart rate and gets your blood pumping is cardio. When you do it, your heart has to work harder to deliver oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. Over time, this strengthens both your heart and your lungs. Think of things like running or jogging, cycling, swimming, jumping rope, or even a brisk walk. If you're breathing a little heavier and your heart is beating faster, that's cardio in action. Now for the good part, the benefits. And trust me, there are a lot. First, you get a stronger heart and lungs. Regular cardio helps your heart pump blood more efficiently, which can lead to lower blood pressure and better oxygen flow throughout your body. Second, it's a fantastic tool for weight management. Cardio burns calories, which helps with fat loss and maintaining a healthy weight. Third, and this is a big one, it boosts your mental health. Cardio releases endorphins, your body's natural mood lifters, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. You'll also notice increased energy and better sleep. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling truly alive. Okay, so how much cardio should you be doing? For general health, the sweet spot is about 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. That's just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If your goal is fat loss or building serious endurance, you might aim for up to 300 minutes a week. But remember, balance is key. You can split it up however you like: a 30-minute walk, a 15-minute jog, a 20-minute dance session. As long as your heart is working, you're doing it right. But before you go all out, let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't overdo it. Too much cardio can sometimes lead to burnout and muscle loss. Second, don't skip strength training. Cardio is great for burning calories, but building muscle gives your body shape and boosts your metabolism. And finally, don't forget to fuel your body. Cardio requires energy, so make sure you're eating right and giving yourself time to rest and recover. So, there you have it. Cardio is your body's natural engine tune-up. It keeps your heart strong, your mind sharp, and your body active. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness and wellness content. Stay fit, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.